Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be creating a splash screen with some animations. Okay, let's go. First we have to remove a top app bar. For that go to Resources and go to Values. Inside the values open the Styles file. In Styles change this Start Action Bar to No Action Bar. That's it. And then run the app. Now you see the top bar was disappear. Then go to XML file. Let's change the constraint layout to relative layout. And change background color to black. Okay, inside this layout we have text view. You can use any image, logo, whatever you want. So I am using a simply text. Text will be uptik and layout will be to a center. And change its color. Color will be white. Then change text size to 50 sp. Now we need to add its font family. So how we can add? Click on this text view and inside this attribute search for font family, and we will go to the more fonts and here we have all the Google fonts, so I will search for this, OK. Now run the app. Now we see that we have a top bar over here, so we want to remove this top bar. So how we can to remove this? Go to the main activity. So above the set content view we add this line. And then run the app. Now you see the line has disappeared and splash screen covering the whole screen. Okay, let's add some animations. So to add animations we need to create some additional files for the animations. So go to the resource and right click. Inside the new option click on Android resource directory. So change the directory name to anim, which means animation, and click OK. And now we have a folder here with name anim. Right click on that folder and create new animation resource file. Okay, let's give the name of file top_anim. So, for the animations in Android Studio we have bunch of files in Android. We are limited to some predefined values. Now, we are going to use translate. We'll basically move our elements from one place to another. Another animation which is alpha. Alpha is basically a fading innovation. So from alpha means from invisible to visible, to alpha means the opacity. And finally we add duration. Okay. Now we want to use this animation inside our code. In main activity we need to define the variable will be animation, and then loaded this variable to animation. We need to give this text view an ID to be used in Java code. We want to assign this animation to the element. First define text view, and then call the element.setAnimation. Oh. Okay, run the app. See, it's animating, but it is not going to the next activity. So for that, we will create a simple variable which will be private static integer. This means I want next screen appears after 5 seconds of splash screen. So now we need a new activity. For that, go to this folder, right click, go to new, and then activity, empty activity. OK. Now I will add simple text view here, so this screen will appear after splash screen. Now we want to go from splash activity to second activity. For that, we call the activity inside this handle. OK, let's run the app. Thank you. Don't forget to like video and subscribe the channel.